I'm recording now.
You what, baby?
I'm recording now. I don't know if there's more. I'm
He
mad.
doesn't like fireworks, does he?
Those. Wait, what? Oh, Aunt Lacey, did you know there's fireworks at Casey's for $5?
Do what?
More. There's more. Oh, Lacey, watch out.
Oh, yeah, that's stuff coming off of it.
Mama's going right above your head, Lacey.
Bubba texting us. I don't know what he was doing.
No, Bubba.
Yeah.
I would myself, but I was lucky enough to talk to them.
They,
I got reported.
Aunt Lacey,
What, baby?
I think they can't blow off big ones. I think they're only supposed to blow off like small ones, not ones that shoot up very high in the sky and make loud noises.
I don't know, Bubba.
I'm pretty sure that's the easiest way to go to jail.
Because I think you can't until the 3rd, and the 3rd's only from like noon or somewhat time to like 10, 8, 9, and then the 4th is from today at the midnight or some shit.
I'm excited for the 4th of July, really.